Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with a palette that I have not picked up for a while, and it's the LA Girl Desert Dream Mainstage palette. And this is such a beautiful color story. We're going to be doing green and blues, and I love how this came out. It's bright, colorful, very summery. This palette I believe is still available, and the shades are super pigmented, super blendable, and it's so nice. Profusion eyeshadow primer to prime eyes, and hard candy chilling wonder powder to catch fallout. And of course I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Desert Dream Mainstage eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be picking up this really pretty bright blue. It's really bright. It is matte, and I'm just going to take this on a crease brush, and I'm going to kind of press it at first and then do a little bit of sweeping of the shade to start blending. But first I'm going to pack it on in the crease. So just pat that, press it against the orbital bone. And I'm going to be taking the shimmery sapphire shade in the palette, and this is on more of like a pencil style brush, a more dense crease brush also, I would say. And I'm just going to kind of put that in the outer corner. A little bit of pressing, a little bit of dragging this eyeshadow. It is shimmery, but I don't mind having shimmers in the outer corner of the crease. Usually they tend to blend out enough that it's not that crazy actually. And I'm going to do a little bit of blending of the matte blue and the shimmery blue, and I'm going to be picking up this very, very beautiful lime green shimmery shade, which I did have to fix. When I ordered this, they Ulta shipped it with no protection, no bubble wrap, nothing, and some of my shadows came broken and I had to repress them. So luckily that it was salvageable, because look how beautiful this green is. It literally needs no help. I don't have to foil it, that meaning I don't have to wet my brush. So on that eyeshadow brush I just take and drag that across the lid. Metallic green eyeshadow. So next up I'm taking that slightly lighter blue shade than the one that's already in the crease, and I'm going to be applying this along the crease line of the other blue, and it's going to blend them together, and it's going to create a really nice fade up towards the brow area, and it's going to make for a really beautiful transition from the brow highlight down to the crease. And for the highlight I'm using the NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin, and I am going to apply that under the brow. And I'm also going to use this to blend down the edges of the crease shades, just kind of bring them on back down. But as you can see, it just blends in really nicely together and creates a really nice fade in the crease, and I love how it looks. I'm wiping away fallout, and I'm going to be taking the shimmery sapphire kind of shade on the lower lash line. I'm going to take the matte blue, the first one we used in the crease, and then I'm going to be taking the green in the inner corner portion there. And also for my inner corner I'm taking the single shadow from Sinful Colors in Proud. It's just a shimmery champagne shade, and I found this at Dollar Tree probably a couple years ago, but any champagne kind of shade would work. It's so pretty in the inner corner. An LaColors gel eyeliner in the shade Wonder. Do not sleep on these eyeliners if you see them out. They are amazing. This is WetnWild's Breakup eyeliner, and I'm just going to use that to tight line. And for lashes, I'm using the AOA Studio Lash Adhesive, and these lashes here are from Shein, and they're just a fluffy cat eye type of lash, and these look beautiful on hooded eyes, and if you have smaller eyes also, it's so pretty. To mesh my real lashes with the false lashes, I'm going to use the Ioni mascara. A little bit of that, a little bit on my lower lash line, and the eyes are done. For lips, I use the LaColors Nude Glam lipstick in Oh Teddy. I love a beautiful nude lip, and I top that with the e.l.f. Mint Melt lip gloss, and it has like this shimmery green opalescent thing going on in it, and it's so pretty. and it paired so good with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, found it helpful, and will try it out for yourselves using products you may already own. I thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos using the LA Girl Desert Dream palette. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching.